New at 10, if you watched Chicago Med tonight, you saw some cutting-edge medical equipment that was developed right here in southeast Wisconsin. That equipment's now being used in real life to save lives at hospitals like Aurora St. Luke's.
Help! Help me! My son can't breathe.
The hit show Chicago Med follows a medical team that jumps into action to save lives.
Looks like the early stages of respiratory failure.
Equipment used on tonight's episode is just like what you'd see in this brand new hybrid operating room at Aurora St. Luke's.
Anytime we have a new technology that's introduced into the department, the physicians actually get very excited about it. The team members get excited about it.
Christopher Kobloski is a director of interventional services. He and the staff navigate one of the top 10 busiest cardiac cath labs in the country.
We actually performed about 10,700 cases last year.
The OR is equipped with state-of-the-art tools like a robotic X-ray machine.
This system actually moves out of the way, so if there is a more invasive portion of the procedure that needs to be done, we simply press a button here and we can simply move the system out of the way.
The machine developed through a partnership with some of the 6,000 GE healthcare workers right here in southeast Wisconsin.
And a lot of it is just built around the shared goal of helping to improve outcomes. Reduced procedure time, reduced morbidity, reduced hospital length of stay, and reduced recovery.
Today's TMJ4 was there when Aurora St. Luke's unveiled its first hybrid OR in 2014. 4 years later, the hospital now has 3.
Instead of having to transfer the patient from the procedural area to surgery, if a patient needs a hybrid type procedure that requires both invasive and minimally invasive therapies, the physicians can care for the patient right in this space.
Lay him down here.
The actors on Chicago Med may not be real physicians, but the equipment they use could one day save your life in a real emergency.
It gives people at least somewhat of an idea of what some of the incredible people that work on the team at St. Luke's do each and every day. GE Healthcare says its technology of the future will bring things like ultrasound, CT, and MR right into the operating room. Very cool stuff.
Yeah, really.